Welcome to John's Jeep Garage again. Today we're going to learn about a cabin filter. If you've ever been to a service center with any of your vehicles, not just a Jeep, they usually check at certain service intervals your cabin filter, and they'll come and tell you, hey, your cabin filter's dirty, we recommend you change it. And if it's the first time that's ever happened to you and you say yes, and then you see the price, you're going, what did I do? I'm going to save you some money today. It's a very simple task. They're different for each vehicle. Today we're going to learn about the Jeep Wrangler Unlimiteds or the JKs and JKUs and see how easy the task is. I prefer to buy the Fram filters. There's a lot of varieties out there. The OEMs are normally one single filter. These are normally two parts. This one just adds a little bit of freshness to it as well. But we'll talk the details on this video. This is my 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. We're going to step inside and look at the cabin filter change out, but this should apply to all 2011 to 2017 vehicles. I haven't seen the specifics of the 2018 as of yet. So as you enter into the Jeep, you want to go to your glove box. You want to open it up and remove whatever contents are inside, which I've already done. Next, what we want to do is take our hands and press right here at the latch and release the box. And then there's some hinges below where you pull up and the box is now removed. What I wanted to do was show you something. I inserted a light behind the glove box just so I can explain what's going on. This is normally what you see is this access panel here, and behind this access panel, these are two doors, is your filter. But this large white panel behind this is actually a recirculation door for your air conditioning. Let me show you how that works. The key and the blower, I'm going to turn the key on, make sure the blower's on. So that's recirculation off, recirculation on. If the recirculation is on, the door should open. I'm going to go back and press recirculation off, and the door will close. So if you press recirculation on, it will open. You then turn the key off, but the door's going to drop, but it drops just above the filter. So now you can access this area. These two access doors have these little snap hinges. Once you open them up, they swing open this way, and I'll show you, for example. Swings open like this, but this one does not have much room because it hits this speaker, or you can call this a speaker box if you want. I'm going to open this up and then grab that. The door has no force on it. Lift the door up a little bit and grab this cabin filter. This one's pretty disgusting and dirty. So when you take the split filters, you notice that, again, there's a one direction for the airflow. The darker carbon particulates embedded in the filter are on the bottom side. And we're going to go ahead and place these in here. So I'm going to do all of this with one hand. So if I can do it with one hand, most people can do it with more than one hand, which means two hands. So the first one's in there, sitting in the little ridge. Now I will put on the second one. So I maneuvered the light a little bit so you can see a little better, and I want to make sure this is fitting in the tray and the lip is on the outside for both pieces. This one I slid over, and now I'll snap both doors down so they're secure. But one thing that people forget to do that is very important is you got to go back and ensure that door closes so there's not overhang. And if it's in the tray, it's going to close, but you want to make sure the recirculation door has free and easy access. So as we take these two tabs, as I showed earlier, and we fit them in those underneath the little notches. This is a close-up of those notches, so it should give you a better picture. We push it up, and then we take two hands, squeeze, and your glove boxes together. Close, open, close, open. And then we can go ahead and put the parts, things that we had, back in. And now you have a cabin filter.